Your bedroom wall just became the Atlantic Ocean, not CGI, not a TV, a pocket projector, a dark room, and the right content playing on your wall. That's what a summer fake window projector actually looks like in 2026. We tested 4 ocean and beach scenes in the same bedroom: coastal sunset, tropical beach, open ocean, underwater coral, to find out which one looks real and which one looks like a screensaver. One of them stops looking like a wall completely. The other 3 have a problem nobody talks about before you buy. Stay with us. We'll show you exactly which scene to run and the one setting that makes the entire difference. You've seen the clip. Ocean waves filling someone's bedroom wall, warm light shifting across the ceiling. The whole room looks like it's somewhere else. Your first thought was the same as ours. There's no way that looks that good in real life. The rainy window version built the reputation. Dark room, rain on glass. It's cozy and convincing. Summer is a harder problem. Ocean scenes have movement, changing color, brightness, more going on, more ways for it to look wrong. So we ran the test properly. The setup is simpler than you'd expect. Projector on a shelf or nightstand. Phone mirrors wirelessly. Open the content. Point at the wall. Lights off. No installation. No cables running across the room. Moves wherever you need it. The projector is the easy part. What you play on it decides everything. Here is the honest part before we get into the results. In a bright room, in the middle of the day, this does not work. You need darkness. A bedroom at night with the lights off is the ideal condition. That is when this goes from interesting to actually immersive. The second honest thing, not all ocean content is equal. A lot of what is free on YouTube is a screen recording of someone else's monitor. You can see the compression, the loop point, the slight flicker. It gives it away immediately. The content you choose matters as much as the projector itself. We will tell you exactly what to look for. Now for what it actually looks like. 4 scenes, same bedroom, same projector, same wall, coastal Atlantic waves at sunset, tropical beach with palm movement, open ocean on a calm morning, underwater coral reef with light filtering down. The coastal sunset was the winner. It was not close. Here is why. The light shifts. Every few seconds the color on your wall changes. Amber, then gold, then a cooler pale blue as a cloud passes the frame. Your brain reads changing color temperature as natural light. It stops reading as a screen. It reads as a window with something real behind it. The room stops feeling like a box. You stop noticing the projector. You stop thinking about the setup. You just see water and sky. The tropical beach was the most expected choice going in. It looks perfect in screenshot. In a live room, it has a problem. The water in the background has a loop point that repeats every 90 seconds. The palm trees move convincingly. The ocean behind them does not. Once you see the loop, you cannot unsee it. It pulls you out of the experience entirely. The open ocean horizon on a calm morning was the simplest scene. Almost no movement, pale sky, slow swells, barely anything happening. It worked best in rooms with lighter walls and furniture because the pale tones spread across everything evenly. The whole room shifts color. If you want something you can sleep under, this is the one to leave running. The underwater coral reef was the biggest surprise. It is the darkest scene, which means the projection distributes across the wall most evenly. Light ripples from above. The room goes cold blue with small movements everywhere. There is nothing else that feels like it. If the ocean scenes feel too bright for your space, go underwater instead. So which fake window projector scene actually looks real for summer? Coastal sunset, every time. The reason is the shifting light. Static blue water on a white wall will always read as a screen because nothing in your room is responding to it. Warm light moving across a dark bedroom reads as atmosphere. Your eyes believe movement before they believe color. That is the one thing that separates the scenes that work from the ones that disappoint. Find 4K ocean content with a slow color shift across the full frame. Avoid anything with a visible loop under 2 minutes. The longer the loop, the more convincing it stays. This summer, your bedroom does not have to feel the same as every other room you have been in for the past 3 years. Lights off, ocean on the wall, nowhere to be, a room you actually want to spend time in. Think about what a TV costs. Think about the wall mount, the installation, the permanent hole in your wall. Now look at what the simplifytech Cine X costs. Fairly cheaper than any TV that comes close. Ships worldwide, free, straight to your door. 6-month warranty from the day it arrived, and 30 days to try it in your actual bedroom. Not a showroom, not a review studio, your room, your wall, your condition. If after 30 days it is not sitting on your nightstand every single night, send it back. Full refund. No forms, no waiting, no question. You are not buying a projector. You are trying one for free for a month. simplifytech.shop.